How to copy product links from Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy product links from Shein app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Shein app. Make sure that your Shein app is up to date to its latest version and you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can simply browse through the Shein app until you find an product that you want to buy. So after you see a product that you want to buy, simply open it up. After you open it up, you should see a share option on the top here. What you'll need to do is tap on it, and there you will see copy link. You can simply tap on copy link and your link will get copied. That is basically how you copy product links from your Shein app. Now you can share this link anywhere that you want. I'll just text it to a friend. So you can head over to the messages section of anywhere and then paste it and then send it. After you do that, your Shein's product link is now shared as well. And that is how you copy product link from Shein app. That is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.